You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast that's brought to you by SDC International Shipping, the team that helps families and professionals move from America to destinations all the way around the world. Today, we're going to take a step-by-step and show you how SDC International Shipping helps clients plan with calm and not chaos. Now, what happens if you wait too long? Let's be honest. Life can get busy, and sometimes moves sneak up on us. Late bookings don't make a move impossible, but it does make everything less forgiving. When you book too close to departure, you're no longer choosing your ideal date. You're choosing whatever's left over. Packing schedules can clash with your availability. Container space may already be filled, and custom paperwork that should have been finished weeks earlier could overlap with packing day. Now, it is still doable. Experienced movers like SDC can make it work, but the experience feels compressed. Decisions get reactive, buffers vanish, and small issues carry major weight because there's no time to recover. If you've ever heard someone say, "It felt like everything sped up at the end," this is why. The calendar didn't change, but the margin of error disappeared. Booking late doesn't break your move, but it does break your buffer. The earlier you book, the more room you have to breathe, adjust, and stay in control. Here at SDC International Shipping, our goal is simple: to make your move feel organized, calm, and completely manageable. Whether you're moving next month or next year, our team is going to help you plan every detail, from packing to customs. So if you're ready to start, visit our website or give us a call, 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.